Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for warehouse management. Today it's all about Copilot in Business Central, and I'm going to show you how we can use Copilot to write item description in Business Central. So first we're going to open up the item list and we are going to select an item. I'm going to go with the Sydney swivel chair. So once you've opened up this item card, always make sure on your right down here in the item attributes that you have as much information that you can have about the specific item because Copilot is going to use those attributes to then write the item description. So once you've ensured all of the information and specificities have been added, you can then see here in the marketing text, click on the option to draft with Copilot. And it's going to open up this small chat box where you will then see the text that it has written. So you can see here it has written a tagline and a paragraph about the chair, and you can then choose to either edit it with the different features that you've got here. So it's like using Word, honestly. So you can choose to bold, put in italics or underline. You can change the colors of some text. You can also choose to add link. And what's more important here with Copilot in Business Central is you can change different format and tones as well as the emphasis. So for instance, if you wanted a more formal tone, you can choose so. If you want a more casual, upbeat, or creative tone. In terms of the format, you can also choose to have a different format in the way that Copilot is going to write the description for your item. You can have a brief, you can have a paragraph or tagline or both. And when it comes to the emphasis, you can also choose on which elements that Copilot will need to focus the description on, whether it is power, elegance, sustainability, innovation, and so on. So let's say once you've read that and you are not happy with it, you can then change, let's say, the tone to be more casual. You can also change the format to have only a tagline, for instance. And let's say the emphasis you want it to be more about innovation. And then you can click on regenerate, and it's going to rewrite the entire description for you. So as you can see here, since I've only asked for a tagline, which is more casual and that is more about the innovation of the product, it has now written something different when it comes to the item description. Now, you don't lose the first text as well because you can toggle between them here. As you can see, you can go back to your original text that Copilot did for you and then check it if maybe you might prefer this one. And once you've already done all of that and you are happy with the final description, you can then click on Keep It and you will see that the text is going to appear down here in the marketing text. And this saves you a lot of time and also ensure that all the specific qualities and elements about that item is mentioned in the item description, which you can then use for your Shopify or even when you are talking with your customers. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video about Copilot for item description in Business Central. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.